Breeze Evo is an upright vacuum cleaner from Hoover with plenty to offer, including long reach, adjustability to suit different floor types, and a generous 3-litre capacity. It's been designed for long reach cleaning with a 7-metre cord and a 4.5-metre stretch hose, which is long enough to clean a full 13-step staircase with ease. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a long crevice tool, extension tube, and a 2-in-1 dusting brush and furniture nozzle that can be attached to the 4.5-metre stretch hose for all of those above floor cleaning needs too. One of the great benefits is the versatility of this appliance. Now, by using the dial on the front of the vacuum to raise and lower the height of the brush bar, you can achieve smooth manoeuvrability on hard surfaces such as lino or kitchen floor tiles, or on carpet. Set the brush bar to a lower position so that the rotating bristles can agitate the pile, loosening the dirt and the debris for a really thorough deep clean. Breeze Evo has a large 3-litre bin capacity, so you won't be emptying the bin every minute, and the bin can be emptied quickly and hygienically with the push of a button. And to top it all off, the Breeze Evo is A+ energy rated, so you'll be saving money and energy whilst getting a really effective clean. A great all-rounder to clean your home from top to bottom, the Breeze Evo upright vacuum cleaner from Hoover.